Hello friends, and we are back with another episode of REaCH, robotics for every child. I'm your host, Flight Lieutenant Manoj Damsandekar, founder director Qurious Mind Infotainment Private Limited. We are going to make a fantastic robot today using QurioREaCH kit. Where to buy QurioREaCH kit? You can go to our website www.curiousmind.co.in and find our business partners who are close to you. You can go to their shop, you can call them, go to their shops, and you can buy QurioREaCH kit, which will be used to make this robot. Once you have kit, you can watch these videos. These videos will be also available on YouTube. What we need for this robot? We need these parts here, but what are we making today? We are making dancing ballerinas. And for that, what we need is, we need 2 C plates, 2 L plates, 2 rectangular plates, 1 big gear, 1 medium gear, 1 small gear. Some of these parts, flat rotator, flat connector, L connector, bolts, nuts, shaft locks, spacers, a DC motor with motor shaft. To operate the robot, we need the remote control and the wire, and we need 2 axles. To the axles, I have pasted these ballerinas, and of course our tools, screwdriver and spanner. So let's begin. Let's make the base. I'll keep them aside. Let's make the base. 1 C plate, 1 L plate connected to each other using 2 bolts and nuts. Similarly, the other side, 1 more C plate and 1 more L plate. Okay, now these 2 will attach 1 rectangular plate like this in the middle, using 2 nut bolts this side, 2 nut bolts this side. As well. Let me align them properly. I've kept this way so that they are aligned properly. So this base is ready, and now we'll attach the motor. To attach motor, first we have to attach the motor shaft onto this here, and then we have to remove the motor screws along with the washers. And decide where we want to put the motor. I want to put it in this horizontal slit, the motor shaft will come, and in this vertical slit, the motor screws will be put back. Repeating again what I tell always, motor screws should easily go in. So motor is fitted. Now we are going to put the smallest gear onto the motor. But before that we'll put the smallest gear onto the motor and we'll lock it using the shaft lock. And now one gear this side, one gear this side we want. So I want this gear, medium gear on this side. So here I need to make a hole. To make a hole I need one flat rotator. I'm going to put it down. I want a hole here. So this side's hole I will connect using nut and bolt. And when we are tightening, we know we put one aligner bolt so that we are able to get the hole at the right place. And I'll tighten this. Once tightened, I will remove the aligner bolt. This side I need one more hole for the big gear, and I need that slightly away from this edge of the slit, slightly away. Because I need slightly away, I'm not going to put it straight, I'm going to put slanted, and the hole will be here slightly away and nut bolt will be put here. I'll put the nut bolt and the nut bolt should be on the edge here so that the hole is slightly away from the edge. So I'm going to tighten it and I'm going to put first the aligner bolt also. Okay, I'll remove the aligner bolt now. Okay, so we have put the flat rotators here and now it's time to put the gear. So I'm going to put this gear and I'm going to put this axle through that, but I want the gears to be hidden. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one more rectangular plate like this, so the gears will be hidden. And for that I am going to put 1 inch bolt, one here and one that side. So I'll put 1 inch bolt. Here, tighten it. Same way on this side also, 1 inch bolt. And put spacers. 2 on this side, 2 on this side. Now I want to put this here, but I want to create holes exactly like that. So if you see here, one hole here, one hole I'll use one flat rotator. From top to bottom, I'm connecting this nut bolt here. And put aligner bolt and tighten this one. Remove the aligner bolt. This side also one hole. We know we are putting it slanted this side. Bolt and tighten at the position. The bolt should be at the edge. Remove the aligner bolt, and now we'll put this top here, so they are aligning each other. I'm putting this, and I'm going to put nut. Now it's time to put our ballerinas and the gears. So I'll align the gear here, put the ballerina. Pass through the holes, and here first I have to put one shaft lock, then pass it, and then put one more shaft lock from bottom. Similarly here also I'll keep this gear, pass this. First put a shaft lock, pass this, and put one more shaft lock from here. So my robot is ready. Did you make it? Very good. Those who are not able to make it because they don't have kit, what they can do is they can visit our website www.curiousmind.co.in and find the business partners who can sell you the kit. So you can find the closest business partner, you can call them, you can go to their place and buy QurioREaCH kit and come back and make this. These videos are available on YouTube, so you can watch those videos and you can make this robot. It's now time to test, and it is always a testing time, whether it works or not. Let's see. For that we are going to put the wire onto the motor, and when you are putting the wire onto the motor, you have to hold the connector from behind and then push this wire. So I put it here this side, and this side I'm going to put it into the remote. Again hold the connector from behind and put the wires. In the remote we need 4 cells, 1.5 inch AA cells. The polarity should be perfectly put. You can see the cells are marked as plus and minus, same way the battery holder is also marked plus and minus. General thumb rule is that minus side goes onto the spring. That is the general thumb rule, but definitely look for the markings. Put all the 4 of them with correct polarity. If you put them incorrectly, they may heat up. So take precaution. Put this DC plug into DC socket and operate it. The ballerinas are dancing, and they are rotating at different speeds. And I know you know how to make them fast or slow. You can just interchange the gears and you can make them, rotating faster. How did you like this robot? Do write your comments on our YouTube channel so that we know what robots you want to see we making. And there is one competition. Do you know about the competition? Yes, we have a competition for you. You can buy a QurioREaCH kit, and using the QurioREaCH kit, you can create a robot from your own imagination. You have made so many robots. You can use that idea, and from your own imagination, you can make a different robot. The robot which is not shown in the videos here, the robot which is not in the manual of QurioREaCH. You can make that robot create a small 15-second video, post it on our WhatsApp. The phone number you can find on our website www.curiousmind.co.in. Send the video and your picture. If we like your robot, then what will we do? We'll give you 3 things. The first, your video and your photo will be posted on our social handles. So your friends can see your video. Second, you get a fantastic funky Curious Mind t-shirt. And third, the greatest is you get to sit alongside me here in the studio. You will be on TV. Isn't it fantastic? Would you like to have that? Then rush to our business partners, buy the QurioREaCH kit and make a video and send it to us. We keep on coming with different robots every week. We will come back. Until then, happy making.